Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing with you this very intense, miraculous fat flush tea that will crush your stubborn big belly fat for you. Like it takes your belly down. Consuming this on an empty stomach and last thing at bedtime will take that big belly down. So, in order to come up with this recipe, the secret ingredient here is green tea powder. This powder helps to block the circulation of fats in your system, like it blocks fat from accumulating, causing that belly fat and weight gain. It shrinks it, melts it out of your belly. It is matcha green tea powder I'm using, very miraculous. But if you don't have it, you can always replace with a regular green tea. But this powder is something you want to invest on if you're battling with belly fat, or you can use this green tea. They are all good, they help stimulate weight loss, but this matcha green tea, trust me, is what you want to get. So it is really very effective. I can't reiterate enough. And what I need is one teaspoon of it. So you just want to measure 1 teaspoon and set aside. The second ingredient I'll be using will be ginger. So ginger is a very thermic food. It heats up your system, so you can easily break down all the stubborn concentrated fat that is resistant in your system, not like easily getting out. You end up with belly fat. This heats up your system to be able to break down and melt that fat for you. So I can't deal without ginger because it awakens my metabolism, boosts my system to easily metabolize, break down food store up, fats, toxins. Like it helps you facilitate the push out of waste or unwanted stuff in your system, making you gain a lot of weight, or all the fats. It dissolves it for you if you consume it the right way. Like try this recipe and trust me, you will see tremendous change, most especially with your belly fat. So what I need is one large teaspoon. So this is a big teaspoon, like almost a tablespoon of ginger that I will be using crushed or grated, and that's the second ingredient. So you want your immune system to be really active and strong, and these vitamin C fruits, most especially lemon, oranges, they boost your immunity so you can be strong to break down fats. Not just that, they contain a lot of good acids which help flush out bad acids from your system. So this is something you want to add in here to boost your metabolism, cleanse all the metals, acids in your system, making you always have that bloated big belly. This calms down your belly, takes out those acids and gas from your system. So I'll be using one lemon and one orange, and the orange will act like my sweetener. So it is, oranges are kind of sweet sour, so it will act like kind of a natural sweetener, plus boost your metabolism, boost your immune system as well. Like a lot of benefits adding these citrus fruits in your tea. So yeah, most especially during this period when we need to boost our immunity, you need these vitamin C fruits. So I have used my juice extractor to get the juice, and voila, this is the juice I'll be consuming for today. Just watch how I'll come up with these, because this is very important. So this is my tablespoon of green tea and my tablespoon of ginger with my citrus fruits, my lemon and orange. So what I want to achieve now is hot water. Hot water is very important, as starting your day with hot water relaxes your system, dissolves blood clot, dissolves fats. Like it keeps your system at bay. Like very important to start your day with something hot, and hot things help to melt fats. It helps to stimulate digestion, promotes the breakdown of food. So, and that is, we're using hot water for this tea. So that is my 1 tablespoon of the green tea I'm putting in the cup. My 1 tablespoon of the grated ginger I'm adding in the cup. So yeah, what I want to do now is to get these ingredients infused to now come up with my concentrated tea without cooking. So this is a trick. You don't want to cook your ingredients or boil them for long. You just add in hot water and allow the ingredients to gradually get infused in the tea. So this method is really very good because it leaves that the tea is really stronger than when you have to cook and boil the ingredients. Yeah, so I'm just closing to allow the ingredients infuse to have my concentrated tea, and after 10-15 minutes I take it off. Very concentrated tea now, really very concentrated to break down that fat. And now, what you want to do is you want to pour your tea in your cup, and you divide this juice, the juice from the orange and lemon, in two portions. You consume half of it in the morning with your tea, your morning tea. You divided the tea in the middle, you consume half of it in the morning. At bedtime, you add the remaining orange and lemon in the half of the tea at bedtime, and you consume before going to bed. So you just have to split the tea in two portions, and you just do same at bedtime. Add the remaining juice at bedtime after you warm up your tea. You can now add the citrus fruit, so they are in there. You don't really destroy the vitamin C from the fruit. So this is how you consume it. These my cups are really large. Trust me, when you consume these fat burners in a larger cup, you get a lot of it into your system, and that really helps to break down the fat so fast than having it is in smaller cups. So you want to double up the size of your cup. Get a large teacup, a large teacup for your fat burning recipe. So you really get enough of this tea in your system, and trust me, you will burn that fat. Like if you are really having that very big belly, you can make it in a larger quantity and even have it after your meals to make sure that whatever you eat just breaks down so fast without any store up. That is a big secret, a very big secret, to make sure everything breaks down, so you always like burn that fat and maintain your flat belly without having to deal with this kind of big belly which you can't easily flaunt. Like now, I can easily flaunt my belly out because of my fat burning recipes. Like I have so many of them that are very effective, very effective. But this one of today, it really flushes out the resistant fats. But I have so many of these recipes that I consume whenever I feel like I've gained a lot of weight, to maintain a good body size as well. Because trust me, maintaining a good body size is key to good health. You are not just doing this to have that beautiful body to flaunt, but to stay healthy as well, so you don't end up with all these health complications due to obesity, like hypertension, diabetes, high blood pressure. All those are due to obesity, excess fats in your system, bad cholesterol, bad fats in your system, making you always sick. So having recipes like these dissolves and gets rid of those bad fats in your system, the bad cholesterol, so you can always have just the good fats and healthy and in shape all the time. So a word to a wise is sufficient. Be proactive than reactive. Don't wait for those situations to come before you start rushing to be careful. Just start now. Even if you are not sick, go for these healthy recipes to prevent all those situations in the first place. Not just to have that beautiful body, but to stay healthy as well. So yeah, that is what I wanted to share with you today in this video. I hope someone finds the video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.